Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. So I'm here to provide a transfer update kuma transfers azowenziwa ama team njoba izophela nje isizini. Yabo ama team amaningi are working behind the scenes to secure ama deals for ama players afuna ukuba nawo kule isizini ezoqala entsha. Yabo so ngizoqala ngoSihlendulo. Sihlendulo is on the radar of joining Orlando Pirates. Yabo Stellenbosch FC offered the player a new contract uthi assign a new contract ahlale ku team, but the player refused to sign the new deal. He opted to join Orlando Pirates. Yabo Steve Barker confessed lapha ekhuluma nabezindaba bembuza washo ukuthi okay, who is set to join Orlando Pirates. Washo ukuthi I want to thank him for the person and the player and the commitment that he showed at the club. We are happy for him. Yabo so the player will be joining Orlando Pirates. Asazi ukuthi Orlando Pirates izozenza nini inhlelo zokumananza, but umdlali useyindoda emnyama manje useyogqoka ijezi elimnyama le esigodini sikaMambinzela. Kwezinye zeindaba uPeter Mosimane is linked to join iZamalek. About the Egyptian Giants bafethu iZamalek are linked to sign uPeter Mosimane. Right now uPeter Mosimane ayikho iclub anayo ayikhojayo. Yabo njoba ingekho nje iclub anayo ayikhojayo, le team le iZamalek iyamazi uPeter Mosimane. They know Peter Mosimane because he used to coach ama rivals zabo okuyi Al Ahly. Yabo so they know this coach. Yabo another coach engizwile kuthiwa ukwi-radar yeZamalek ubani na uRulani Mkwena. Yabo izoba indida ke le cause angazi ukuthi kuzoba kanjani, because if iZamalek itargeta uDr Mosimane, why Paul Rulani Mkwena ekwi-radar futhi naye yeZamalek? Ingabe bafuna ukubahlanganisa indaba coach laba babile into babeyiyona lapha kwiMamelodi Sundowns? Because ngiyabakhumbula uPeter Mosimane noRulani Mkwena they used to work together lapha kwiMamelodi Sundowns bekanye futhi nobanqoba mnqithe. Yabo so angazi ngempela ukuthi bazozama yini ukubahlanganisa basebenze bobabili noma oyedwa wabo uzosayina, because I heard indaba kuthiwa naye uRulani Mkwena uzohamba la eSouth Africa athathe ibhanoyi eliyale eCairo yabo ayoxoxisana neZamalek, yabo, in order to sign him to be their new head coach. Yabo but naye uRulani yabo unama talks neOrlando Pirates. Yabo asazi ukuthi iyipi i-team ezokwazi ukuyiwina isignature yakhe, iyipi i-project ezokwazi ukheha uRulani Mkwena. Ngabe i-project yeZamalek, yabo ngabe i-project Orlando Pirates, we really don't know. Yabo Johannes nonke bafethu iyaphela ideal yaAndile Jali kwiChippa United mizophela isizini. Yabo umdlali use-opte for ukuretire, ayikho iclub right now esam-approachile for ama-services akhe. Yabo umjida sekwadlalela ama-team njengo-Orlando Pirates, sekwayidlalela iMamelodi Sundowns, sekwayidlalela futhi neMoroka Swallows. Yabo right now ubedlalela iChippa United. He once played le overseas. Yabo idlala esuka ku-Orlando Pirates waye overseas. So umjida bafethu usedlalela ama-games amaningi ngempela la eSouth Africa. So umjida ubukeka ezoretire mekuphela isizini. Asazi ke noma uzoretire noma uzoqhubeka. Yabo it's up to the player. Yabo ungangitshela ama-comments ukuthi imaphi ama-games akujabulisa kakhulu umbona uAndile Jali. Yabo umjabulile umbona kule ijezi elimnyama noma ijezi eliyellow noma ijezi elimaroon leli Moroka Swallows. Yipi isizini la wajabula khona ubone uAndile Jali? Kwezinye zeindaba bafethu ama-game asazoqhubeka. Igame le yahlehliswa iSuperSport United versus iLamontville Golden Arrows izoqhutshekwa bafethu. Menikhumbula kahle leyo game leyo yakhanselwa ngoba kwahamba ugesi. Yabo kwahamba ugesi eLucas Moripe Stadium. Igame kwaku 1-0 yayilida iGolden Arrows. Yabo so yathi iSuperSport cha asikwazi sinike zo 3 points, asiyiqaleni kabusha igame kodwa soyiqala second half. Yabo so igame izoqhubeka bafethu, izoqhubeka ngomhla ka-29 May. Yabo uzoqhubeka ngomhla ka-29 May. Ivenue izobike khona futhi eLucas Moripe Stadium, izodlala ngo-12. Yabo uzodlala 45 minutes. Bazodlala 45 minutes. Le match le yasuspendwa because of ukungabi khona kwagesi. Yabo I hope iSuperSport izokwazi ukudlala kahle nayo iLamontville Golden Arrows izokwazi ukudlala kahle. Yabo kwezinye zeindaba bafethu i-under 17 yabafana isigroupiwe. Yabo isigroupiwe kwiQatar World Cup ezoba ngo-2025 kuwona lo nyaka lo. So siku-group A. Njengoba group A nje kukhona iQatar, i-Italy, iSouth Africa mase kuba iBolivia. Yabo angifuni uqamba amanga, yabona le group le iyodwa kuphela i-country enganikeza ibafana inkinga la. Yabo i-Italy kuphela. Kulabo amanye I'm not trying to talk down on these other nations, but I see Italy as the only threat. Yabo kubafana I see these boys going kuma knockout stages. yabo ngiyababona nje befika kuma-knockout stages, siyababona no-Senegal no-Morocco laba bakhona, siyababona no-Tunisia bakhona, siyababona no-Egypt no-Cote d'Ivoire, siyababona no-Zambia, we see Zambia, we see Uganda, yabo khona no Burkina Faso bakhona nje ozakwethu la sisuke nabo la eAfrica bayorepresenta lapha yabo eQatar. Yabo I hope labafana bazofika badlale kahle babuye nayo iWorld Cup. Yabo njengoba bekwazile abanye babafana uUnder 20 bebuye nayo iAfcon. I hope Under 17 lo uzobuya nayo ke iFIFA World Cup. Yabo abone lama club aphesheya ukuthi kahle kahle italent likhona lapha. Likhona italente ngoba kwezinye izindaba engizwile kuthiwa uShaquille April lo dlalela iCape Town City, he is being monitored by iclub yale eClub Brugge. iClub Brugge ile club le enoShandra Campbell. That team is monitoring uShaquille April. Yabo I hope umfana ozoyithola ibreak yakhe ahambe naye ayodlala noShandra Campbell lapha phesheya ba represent iSouth Africa, because if we continue to showcase italent lethu kanje, yabo many teams will go to South Africa to scout for talent. Yabo abafana abancane mebeqhubeka beproducer kanje bewina kanje kulama competitions abekwayo, yabo lento le izosiza ngempela. So kuma games, kuma friendly games bafana azoqhubeka adlala. Ama friendly games azodlala ngoJune 6 i-friendly game yokuqala izodlala ePeter Mokaba Stadium ngolesihlanu 6 June. Yabo izodlala past 7 bafana iyobe ibhekene neTanzania. Yabo uHugo Broos wabakhipha abadlali azoqoka kubona isquad bafana esodlala lama friendly games lawa u2. Yabo ngayishaya ivideo ongihamba uyoyibheka lapho khona ngilista abadlali ababizwe uHugo Broos. There were many new names lapha ashokha abantu abaningi. Yabo even uMduduzi Shabalala, they are part of that squad esibizwe uHugo Broos. Yabo another game izodlala neMozambique yabo ngoTuesday 10 June. I think le izobidlalwa le ePretoria if I'm not mistaken. Yabo ngangitshela ama comments izobidlalwa, but I think izobidlalwa le ePretoria. Yabo the bafana under 20 goalkeeper use renew icontract yakhe neclub ayidlalelayo yale phesheya, and ise renew ngo2 year deal. Yabo this is good news for umfana. Yabo ngathi angayiqhubeka represent bafana represent country le. Yabo I hope to see the boy playing for the main team bafana because usikhombisile ngempela ukuthi unalo ugqozi lokureplace uRonan Williams lapha. uRonan Williams mase retire yena angayithatha indambo zakhe, because umfana uyavimba, umfana omncane uyirepresentile uUnder 20 bafana Machida. Yabo so I hope umchita uzokwazi ukuremaina as part of isquad bafana. Hayi laba bavele bafike nje phesheya bengakazi ba select before bafuna uzodlalela bafana, but they didn't want to play for bafana at their younger stages. Yabo in another news, TS Galaxy will part ways with the veteran midfielder uLindo Kuhle Mbatha lo una 39. Yabo icontract yakhe izo-expire ngokuphela kwaJune, so umchita uzoyishiya iTS Galaxy. Mamelodi Sundowns have triggered uAubrey Modiba's option until June 2026, and they still have another clause to extend. Yabo talks ongoing for a long-term deal asas. Yabo but ke uAubrey Modiba ngiyazi ashiye kwiMamelodi Sundowns, because Mamelodi Sundowns isitriggerishile ukuthi oba extend until June 2026, and banayo futhi enye option kwi-clause ukuthi ba extend furthermore. Yabo umchita usazohlala nje kuMamelodi Sundowns asazi. Yabo basazosayina another left back okubani okuBasadini, so kuningi iMamelodi Sundowns ekwakhayo. Yabo uAsanele Velibaye is one of the players abamonethwe Orlando Pirates, but ke iKaizer Chiefs have entered the race to sign lo mdlalo. Yabo iKaizer Chiefs bafethu nyayazi enye ama club akhona ebimfuna lo mchita lo, but ke Cape Town Spurs were very stubborn to let go of their player, but ke right now use free agent. So Orlando Pirates and Kaizer Chiefs are fighting to sign this player. Sipho Mbuli bafethu nyazazi indaba zakhe, ushiyile kuSikhukhune saye terminate contract yakhe. Mamelodi Sundowns uyashiya kwaMamelodi Sundowns mekuphela le season le. Yabo Mamelodi Sundowns izomchitha kanye benoThembiko Silochi. Yabo njengoba bezomchitha nje uSipho Mbuli yena uma efuna i-big move usengajoyina noma yipi club emfunayo uSipho Mbuli. Yabo open to join any club he wants. Yabo ngaba kuyena kumdlalo usengajoyina ezimnyama noma empofana. Yabo kwezinye zeindaba iKaizer Chiefs are really pushing to sign uThembiko Silochi, but iWydad Casablanca iphusha ukuthi imnikeze u2 years. Yabo imnikeza 2 years kwi-contract yakhe ayodlala le kwi-Club World Cup. ngabe yipi iclub ezowina ekusayineni uThembinkosi Lorch abo kwi-new deal, Kaizer Chiefs or